Buying a condo can be exciting, but there are key questions you need to ask before making the purchase. From fees to building policies, these factors can impact your lifestyle and investment. My name's Rico. I'm a realtor with EXP. I make educational videos regarding the Vancouver real estate market. When I'm not doing that, I'm helping people like you buy, sell, and invest in real estate. If that's something that interests you, I encourage you to schedule a meeting with me using the link in the description. Now, let's go over the top 5 questions that every buyer should ask when considering purchasing a condo. The first thing you want to consider is that condos will have monthly strata fees to cover things like maintenance, amenities, and its reserve fund. So you want to ask how much are these costs and what do they include? They may include utilities, parking, a gym, right? And have these fees increased recently? Understanding these costs upfront helps avoid surprises down the road. Next, what are the building's rules and restrictions? Right? Often condos will have rules around rentals, pets, renovation, and amenities. Some buildings are really strict when it comes to short-term rentals. I've seen other buildings that are strict in regards to pet ownership, how many pets are allowed, size limits, breed restrictions. And also, you'll see restrictions around renovations, what's allowed to be renovated and when. So if you love dogs or you plan to rent out your unit, knowing the building policies can save you a lot of trouble. Another thing to consider is going to be the financial health of the condo corporation. Hey, the condo's financial health matters. So you want to check the reserve fund and ensure there's enough there to cover the cost of future repairs, whether or not there are any pending special assessments. Big one-time fees owners will need to pay to cover maintenance or repairs to the building, past financial statements, and whether or not the strata corporation has managed their funds responsibly. If a condo has low reserves or has planned assessments, you could be hit with unexpected costs. The fourth thing you want to make sure you understand when purchasing a condo is the history of repairs and maintenance to the building. No one wants to buy a condo with major structural issues. So before committing, it's important that you ask when the last major renovations were done, right? And if there's any upcoming maintenance required. Have there been any water leaks or plumbing issues? When was the last time the roof was replaced? A well-maintained building means fewer surprises down the road. Finally, what's the long-term investment potential? Consider the future value of your condo. Check market trends in the area, right? Are properties in the neighborhood increasing in value? What about upcoming developments? Are there any new condos being built nearby? And also, what's the resale history? Have past owners sold for a profit? Right? Your condo is not just your home, it's an investment. So make sure it has strong potential. Buying a home is so much more to do than just finding a great location. It's about asking the right questions to protect your investment and lifestyle. Now, if you found this video helpful, I encourage you to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. It encourages me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.